In this video, I'm going to do a quick review of these replacement bands for the Instinct 2 from ANCOOL. So as you can see, we have several different colors here, and these bands come not only with the tool to remove the bands from the Instinct, but they also come with the pins you need to install new bands. And another really cool thing about these bands is that they're not only compatible with the Instinct 2 or the Instinct 2 Solar like this right here, they're also compatible with the original Garmin Instinct and Instinct Solar. And I do want to thank ANCOOL for sending me these watch bands for free so I could test them out. Thank you very much. So we'll try on the navy blue bands, and they do have a very nice feel to them. They're a very soft silicone material, just like the original bands, as you can see. And the buckle on them is metal, just like the original bands. So to remove the original bands from the Garmin Instinct, all you need to do is take the little pin here and push it into the side where you see that little hole. And then pull on the band when you push, and then it will come right off. So that was the top band there. Now with the replacement band, you just want to make sure that you put the pin in the band, and then all you need to do is make sure that the pin lines up with the holes on the Garmin Instinct or Garmin Instinct 2. You don't even need a tool for this. You could just kind of push it in, and then the pins will snap in and they'll be secure. So now I can remove the bottom portion of the band, put the pin in the actual replacement band like so, and then I can install it. And just like that, I have replaced the bands on my Garmin Instinct 2. So as you can see, they fit perfectly, look great, and they do offer a little bit more protection than the original bands because they come up on the bezel a little bit. So I kind of like that from a protection standpoint. They're very secure and seem to be well made. So now you can see the navy blue on my wrist. Looks great. Army green, which looks really cool. I love this color. Olive green, very nice color. Nice and bright. Then we have orange. Really cool looking. I like this one. And then we have black. So overall, I would highly recommend the replacement bands from ANCOOL for the Garmin Instinct or Garmin Instinct 2. They're high quality, they're easy to install, and they look great.